How to see when a TikTok account was created. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can see when a TikTok account was created, so let's dive in. First, you have to open your TikTok app and then click these three horizontal lines in the top right corner. And now you have to simply choose the settings and privacy option, and here you have to come to this activity center in this list. And now you have to go to this watch history. And in the watch history, just keep scrolling down until you see the last video that you have watched. And then you'll find the date that you have created your account on, because TikTok records the videos that you watch. So once you create your account, you might watch the video and then you'll see the date over here. And that's the process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.